Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up the nearby share on your Samsung Galaxy M23. So first you need to open the control panel, then find here nearby share, tap and hold it. Then you just need to rename your device, for example Galaxy M23. You can make your device visible for others, for contacts only or for everyone. Then you can change data usage mode, for example without internet it's only Bluetooth mode, Wi-Fi only mode, or data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth mode. And that's all. Now you can enable newbie share, and now you can send data, receive data. Cool! We have successfully set up a newbie share. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!